Hello, my wonderful audience. Welcome back to another video where we're diving deep into a topic that can really make a difference. It's how to implement video marketing on a tight budget. Trust me, you don't need deep pockets to make a splash in the world of video marketing. Video marketing is like having a secret superpower, and here's how you can unleash it without emptying your wallet. Start by being strategic about your video content. Who's your audience? What problems can your product or service solve for them? Planning ahead saves time and money. Now forget about fancy cameras. Your smartphone is your best friend here. Find some good lighting, stabilize your phone with a tripod or steady surface, and choose a quiet spot. Practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment. There's a whole new world of free or affordable video editing software out there. They're designed to be user-friendly, making it easy to create professional-looking videos on a shoestring budget. Don't create content from scratch every time. Repurpose your existing material for different platforms. Chop up longer videos into bite-sized clips for social media or transform blog posts into engaging video content. It multiplies your impact without multiplying your cost. Now get your customers involved. Encourage them to create videos about your products or services. User-generated content is not only authentic but also budget-friendly. Plus, it helps build a loyal community around your brand. Now, optimize your video titles and descriptions with relevant keywords. This isn't just for geeks. It helps your videos show up higher in search results, driving more free traffic your way. And there you have it. You've just mastered the art of implementing video marketing on a tight budget. It's all about strategic planning, getting cozy with your smartphone, using free editing tools, getting creative with repurposing, embracing user-generated content, and giving your videos an SEO boost. Remember that a limited budget shouldn't hold you back from conquering the world of video marketing. With a dash of creativity and resourcefulness, you can create captivating videos that engage your audience without denting your finances. Thank you for joining me today in this informative and heart-to-heart session. Once again, thank you for watching how to implement video marketing on a tight budget. See you on my next video.